All right, today we are going to be looking at our top of the line premium smartwatch. This is a real nice box. We're going to open it up and see what we got inside here. Wow. That is a nice looking watch. That is extremely nice. You've got the metal band on it, very high resolution screen on it, bright colors, very nice looking. There's the band. We got more in the box, so let's see what we got here. All right. We have the owner's manual. Nice manual, full color, very detailed actually. There's the color pictures, different settings, all sorts of stuff you can look through on that. More on the back as well. So very good, complete manual, which you don't really find much anymore these days in electronics. Okay. Also comes with an extra band. If you don't like the metal band, if maybe you're going somewhere fancy at night, you want the nicer looking band, you can put that on. But it also comes with the more sports or athletic rated band, the regular silicone style like you see on a lot of smartwatches. So you can swap those out very easily. Just little pins that you unhook and plug in. That's easy. And then of course you've got the charger. It's a magnetic charger like a lot of them use. This one, so you've got a couple different buttons here. You press them, it turns the screen on, turns it off, whatever. But if you swipe up, you got your phone calls, different steps and calories and that sort of thing. Your sleep tracking. This is the health stuff. We got your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, all that sort of stuff. As you can see, it's a very nice big screen with good color on it. Very nice. And you can of course switch the faces on it. And get your settings, time, alarm, language, all the usual stuff. You can record on this. So if you got to record something for some reason, you've got that there. The stand up reminder, timer, reminder to drink water. Got the remote shutter button where you can hook it up to your phone, set your phone somewhere, hit that to take a picture kind of remotely, which is nice. You can store music on it. It's got 4 gigs of memory on it, so you can store music right on the watch here instead of on your phone. So if you don't want to take your phone with you, you can use it straight from the watch, which is very convenient. More settings, stuff like that, wallpaper changes, all sorts of good stuff. That's where we just were. Nothing there. Your other settings here, your brightness, your main phone settings and everything. It pretty much covers that one.